And to social media, you see, idea a trendy a justice for Ransford. I was here on that note, no. TikTokers, no, any Sam George, any gender minister, abe clash, namu mulati, nabe clash, pay ye. Memo on Chirimu, no chere amame. Ewo comment section. I have Penyah Block Media. May as well say any demo. Obe like video, no other my boss subscribe button, no click the notification corner latest update. Number chere wajo the amame. Ewo comment section. May as well baswa. No one share was on your be ashe. It's one question that Rebecca as someone in March. And the PM Ewo Ghana say I could have a friend Ransford. Owusu ansa. I was here. Abrantewe friend Ibrahim Anyas. How you coach? Afa koda yi to ama ho sem akoye na say any see Ransford there as soon as obey footballer in the near future to come. Because of that, Ojono ko joining some football academy bi a ewo Amasaman. Your friend football academy no Siano Football Academy. Ewo Amasaman Accra. I say Oko join or wadi mfinhia no edumiensa 13 years and say Oko join that particular football club in Accra Amasaman. Emma report eba say akoda no just a coach. I friend the coach Ibrahim Anyas. Just say what fa akoda you fa ne to. Just say feel that mfinhia dumiensa na Ransford ekọ join ye no coach afa ne to han kakra sa. Emma akoda maame ebo akoda yare emom da kura no ekopiem conference teaching hospital nyina Emma say video be any pictures be na kura no na ni ase nyina aye ho ya je say akoda no humoja nyina asa je say wo wu anisa Emma ebasa kura no okokoma etini maame mo edin kopiem ewo antena show ne so ana won say omo kope atentene ne ede ama omo eba ana omo edehye Emma yenyine hu say the asem elisi ye fofi anto ata match ni mu a ene ba ye say Ransford ni wawu Koratano do fi efinhia no dumiensa Ransford atwa na nanamo siedo I'm a media someone for start justice for Ransford because you know who say idea e cool Ransford on one coach Ibrahim Anyas and say what they are create to no kwai there be your name see from there no arrest be anchor so despite social media chanting for justice for what Ransford no you who say any arrest be call say we akwache Ibrahim Anyas akwache hwan arrest be anchor so Emma Asɛm no Ekoda as a border soldier as a we say see him no and social media for Omasa started that assembly beam justice for Ransford as in fact this point here obubo for back obubo fu nyina say your gender minister e Ghana haram na mulati honorable your Ghana haram asemi ba your minister for gender and children they say honor ehwe nkura so say we ankura obi an yiso e Ghana haram issue we esi oba besia a oda nkura no hwe nkura so se nkura boni bia ento Ghana haram no ontimi address this issue afa akura to ama akurawu gender minister oba besia o krom hanom wontimi abia anya hwe wontimi call for the arrest of that foolish guy that Ibrahim Anyas na the one for we were to okunu no wontimi call for the arrest of that foolish guy ama according to rumor kra no Anyas coach Ibrahim oguso training enkra academy ni mu according to report oguso training kra academy and say issue no so no a issue of LGBTQ and then you know how Asɛm George nani esiabre LGBTQ ho say on tiase on makwan ema bibi say ensi but coach Anyas de no LGBTQ issue it among for Asɛm George any gender minister say aseme ba ye no teba de part of in fact they are so useless ministers Ghana for no abe class with Asɛm George any gender minister
Ya for we me cheche obi bia no pa we me gidi so obi ahun obi anso obi adidi aban papa ba dia na me gidi say wakọ market ne ma bo efu ana mama mentu aso ebusuafo minister of gender enti dede bebrebe amanfo eye wo Facebook, Instagram, TikTok ma me no wonte ye amanfo de hashtag justice for Ransford no minister of gender pese o kire se wonte ye eye minister of gender ba ne yeko assault ni say ya obi akodi ni true mu amakwala na fam awu anka ma me ntinka won sole nya bibi ebusuafo ntini yeto abagu no yeto abasem panifo ebehwe no maboa na eniema ewo kroni ma kokokoye na omo ni bia omo ntimi nkom asem no abai na hye no aso be no akama wo justice for Ransford that case we abusua this year the buy you achewo ma me ni de ba oyire pa satam na kwala di nwuye Ransford na mo ka no akwala no se ni dream se obebo ball ti ni ma me no nya ni kika ni nsam e no se ayi coach o wa masama hawo amasama na coach ne tie e na wadi akwala ni trumwa akwala no se coach ni ka kire ni se o ka kire obi obewu e na akwala nse bebi na du na anu ayede e no ball ni ma me na mane ma me ne de ba wo yere pa na ma hu de ye kosi ya se o ma nto ankoso se antina na anye na dwuma yi o menti ase yesrem abamu penifo yesrem akola we this child need justice especially office of gender minister yesrem ma me sorry na akola ketewa obi afa ne to ama ne to nyina ase ama akola na wu ma me ne papa ni ni sikanti no omu ni kamafo abusua ama coach no se coach o se wanwan no afa ni nwadi wafa ni nwadi yesrem lawyers akasi am apis yesrem mun dikesi ma yen wai yesrem ye ni obi ebedwane ato no aban yesrem president Mahamai yesrem vice president Jane na opokwadi ma yesrem gender minister yesrem akola no nya justice ne mamene ne papa omunsunu mu tse yesrem please we need your help gender minister akola na afrimu no akola no bia amoleste na man afrimu no yesrem mpenifo yesrem mo ka bie wom ye pe justice ama akola no yesrem.
So I didn't know who gender minister was in Ghana. I went to Google recently to go and search about her, and there she is. She's doing absolutely nothing in Ghana. In fact, we don't need gender minister in Ghana. Just save her salary. Use her salary to fix roads and drop her because she's doing absolutely nothing. We don't hear from gender minister. I swear to God that if not right now that I went to Google to search, I wouldn't know who gender minister was because she has never been on the news because she's doing nothing. So she's not on the news at all. Because she's doing nothing, she's not on the news. We don't need gender minister in Ghana. She's useless. She's very, very useless to Ghanaians. She's not doing shit for us. She just sits in the office taking monthly salary every damn fucking month. And she's not doing any job. I was glad she took the case, the Ransford case, and she did nothing about it. And this man is still working free. Why did he even take the case if you can't solve it? Why did you take the case if you can't solve it? What is the importance of you this woman? What is the importance of you in Ghana? We are appointed. And this is a woman, oh. This is woman. Being so useless, she cannot be used for anything in the country. In fact, what is your function in Ghana as a gender minister? What are you supposed to do? And what have you done so far ever since you have been appointed? I remember even those kids, they lost their life through car accident. The internet has to come here and blast you before you say something, before you did something. Does it always have to be like that? All right, because we always do like that for you. If you're not ready to do your job as a gender minister, there are kids that are going through abuse every single day in Ghana. As a gender minister, what is your function? What are you supposed to do in Ghana Absolutely nothing. You're not doing anything. Only God knows how your kids are feeling so comfortable in the house and other people, children are suffering. All because they allow somebody like you to become a gender minister. And you are a woman as well. And but you don't have anything in your heart. You don't have anything. Justice for Ransford, you better do something. Let's just say Ghanaians don't report cases when it comes to child abuse and stuff like that. But you've been seeing Antenna. You can make connections with Antenna, Mama FA show. When kids like that come to the show with their issues, you should take over. You should help them. You should solve them. That should be your motherfucking job. Innit? That is supposed to be your motherfucking job. Make connections with Antenna, Mama Efe. When the kids like that come with sexual assault, sexual abuse, rape, you take the case over, you solve them, you help these kids. They need help. That's why you were appointed.
Gender Minister Agnes Namumu, Ministerial, we are giving you up to a year Monday. If a year Coach Ibrahim is not arrested, you better protest against you. Yes, you better protest against you because Sewuntimi Emma a year Ransford enya justice after so koji case no a free Antenna honomne dia. Now you don't deserve to be the gender minister because the Ministry of Gender eko koji case no e the free Antenna honom say they will make sure that justice is served. I mean no justice is yet to be served. And see, you as the Minister for Gender, we are giving you up to Monday to make sure say Mr. Ibrahim, the coach now, or coaches at seminar, odi a year Ransford true mu emano edinam so enya kidney failure or the wuye no. Ye mount stopping Monday. Yanti any news say that man no has been arrested. Na e was say Ghana for any mebunu ni nano. Ye can boom near ye protest against you. Senator His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama. Ebe you were free on because you are not fit for purpose. We need someone who is fitter. Obey to me. I'm making sure say obi ye obi bibi na fall under their ministerial. We making sure say some ministry no aye the also ye e manipa no enya justice wasa unya. Enunti no Honorable Agnes Momu Namumu, the Minister for Gender. Yes, well, we are giving you up to Monday to make sure say send your moko kwaji case no free Antenna honom no. My ye send your moka asem obeye no. May I say justice for Ransford, and I'm very sure say justice will be served very soon.
I intentionally wore this shirt because I want this video to get to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the current IGP, and all the prominent people in this country. So this coach assaulted a young boy sexually. The boy lost his life, and to date, justice has not been served. I know we have a listening government right now, and so I am pleading on the president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the current IGP, and all the powerful people in this country. Help us seek justice for the boy, so his soul can rest in peace. This man has moved on like it never happened. He is living his life freely. He killed an innocent soul. The boy had a whole lot ahead of him, but lost it all because of his actions. So please, we are pleading on everybody, Dr. Frank Amoakohene, all the powerful people in this country, help us seek justice for this poor boy. Hashtag justice for Ransford. Thank you.
Honorable Sam George, I remember when you were fighting for LGBTQ. I voted because of the way you were fighting for this thing. Please, have you heard of this small boys issue? Your friend is saying Ransford issue. Please, have you heard of it? That guy has been assaulted physically. Ye dia kwalane tuama kwalane ewu. Honorable Sam George, so video na mesro o type Ransford our TikTok pa ebe ye atro. De ne kwantena akwalane pontume nanti ye pejano ni yedini si honomo. All because of football, akwala ipeso ombu nti. Nipa daseni asha akwala ne di akwala ne tuama akwala ne ewu. Obetumi aya ona na o. I remember when you were running from up and down where I saw you. I had believed in you. Me believe you. Like I believed in you. I convinced people to vote for you because of the way you were fighting for this thing. What are you doing about this issue? This guy need justice. This guy need justice. Akola kiti say. I didn't move to me, baby man. Yes, I did. Coach and hand, you may shower, Kasha. Jeez. Honorable Sam George, please do something about this, okay? This is the only thing I am expecting from you. The way I will fight for LGBTQ. That's a fucking man where to me the akola ketwa manewu. Akola webe to me ayo now. We di akola na ma akola ne to ebu egu mama ne nine ni nebu. Okwanti na you see the video. Justice for Ransford. What monkuma akwala no na owo ya say die. Obi enu obe bompa say ne ba enwu sa wo we. Ade. To say ye stroke rampo or mine ye woman.
Baby, mami amuhunu wa afidie isu and then make a tree throughout because me pese mami bia otini baby kro onti brofo no hu de me be kan ya se kire. Mami we na ye MP for Nungwa kro wo constituency ono motoma no. Ono aso na ye Minister of Gender, Children and Social Protection mami. Na okra 70 say ye wo bibisa po wo Ghana da and na wunnim ni dwumadi a e wo se anka oni. Children and Social Protection, she is supposed to protect every single child out there in Ghana. Sami Kamrofo. Or was akura biara what Ghana biara mami we making sure say akura no is protected. Or was akura na ye hwe no suye. So what who neba ne ba no, mami no te wo nche ho ba na onko school na akura ketu 6 years onko school no ebi wo ha 10 11 omunko school. Yesola le de omunko afun ba. Mami we and also making sure say some crano e school Monday to Friday. Sama mi we ya. When we are down for na class oba school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday oba ko afum, no oba Thursday, na Friday wa ko afum. Mami we do making sure say akra ne be school Monday to Friday. When we nua ba bi na ote mo nchen na wo bu no Friday na de bone pay. Mami we ne be so making sure say on fa on sanka akra no. When wakra no ote wona opie kwa obi anfa no huntu no nkofo do mo sa kwa wo no oba so a onka no oyare mami bue ene make sure say sa de na ento akra no enso onye mu ba kokora so bosome oje payment for MP no oye no that was aje payment for the Minister of Gender adwuma no oye no enso onye hwe onye mu kobo onye mu sidi onye mu kapre nyuma bebere wasa mami weye enso onye mu kitikiti kura uye nurse ni sa akura na omode ne ba hospital na omo anya scan twa ne hospital bay na ntino mu yi ni ko fi abra mo anhwe no mami we wasa make sure sa akura ne ya hwe no sa mami we she's supposed to protect akura biara wa Ghana na adwuma no. But I know we live in Ghana whereby you cannot even do all this stuff, but at least try and do something. Try and do half of it, like a quarter of it. Ye bibi, na ye twa woka.
Mami ya oye gender minister idie. Mi hu adwuma oye, sa na wo hu na na. Onua, sa na wo hu mami because mi hu adwuma oye, oje akatua hunu. Politics nti wo ne menya adwen a, firi mi FYP na me kama adwen. Mami ma wo je akatua hunu ye hu adwuma oye. Na wo ye mami wo ye panyi. Ubetumi awoye nti ye mu bi no ye ntumi nka kasa twitwiri die kasa ya nkyerɛw ba wadwuma na woye ne nye obi beturu mu sei na ye de asɛm na kwante na hɔ a gender minister wagye agyinam sɛ ubedi asɛm na chi wagya ma ne nam hɔ wagya coach Ibrahim ma ne nam hɔ asɛm no so a wo ani akyire yete ya ne nkora 16 ekowuo Accra ne Kumase kwan so wa meka hwee. Social media ye and ye started ye posting kura ye deda ansa na wode letter ba bonten se wote Ghana kura wunim se nkura 16 awu okwan no so na wo minister na ye de ma no wudi oje ne sei minister na ye de ma no ye de minister na ma se be ye ne den ana wonti wadwuma na se obi batunu mu sei wontumi ma bonten kura me ka me hu se social media watie ye sufre nsem a ye keka wo social media na wate ato osun ma politics no enya sa na ye no masa ye ma udi bra na wa ya adwuma di bra na ye de ama no Ghana fo ne tua waka ye the tax paying money ne de ma nti no mas be ye adwuma ne hu se momi wo ya adwuma as wa ye din masa post nya brofo kan anya blofo ka da bia na wo kan speech na no na hia ye pese ye hu de wo ye Ghana fo pese ye hu nwuma a wudi ene wo beti obi ayira ene wo beti ye ku obi atoa wo beti ya yese wo beti ya yese untumi ma abonte mekasa adwuma be na mo wudi ni saa no masa eme ye politics sem bia eme ye minka menya MPP ni menya NDC ni mi kasa se Ghana ni ma me adwuma na wo ye na nso ani mo me nka
Ubeta chere wa adwen ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.